Hi everyone, Ted from LTM Elite Consulting. Today I was going to discuss with you guys the whole process, why I started the positional trading, and why I would love to help others out there. While I was working for a company, I noticed the target data fund was not outperforming as well as the total stock market or the S&P 500. And then I started running with the calculations as what if I would pick the top holdings part of my portfolio in the S&P 500? What would the gains be? So what I did is I came across this portfolio visualizer, and I have it linked into my website. You guys can find it there. I start putting some numbers. So I created these three different accounts, right? So this is only from 2019 to 2023. So let's say you have $100,000 and you are investing in the stock market from 2019 to 2023. And you're not rebalancing, you're just leaving the money there. One account, it's the target data fund, FXAIX, which is right here. For most of the companies, they have individuals in target data funds. So, for example, if you are close to retirement, or let's say you chose the 2035 target data fund, that's where they're going to put you. So, right now is 20. Let's say in 2019, you told them you're retiring in 2035. So instead of putting you in a different retirement fund, they're going to put you based on the age that you requested to enter. So 2019, 2035, that's right. How many years? 2019, 2020, 2030, 2035. And 2035 is a long way, right? Because right now we're in 2023. So we're talking 12 years plus the other four makes it 16 years being in this portfolio. Look at the returns. It's going to give you guys a perspective. And the second one was, right, the target data fund that I was talking about. And the third one, I created an account with a 40, 20, and some individual stocks. Mostly pretty much what were the top holdings on the S&P, and I entered one or two more that was not top holdings. And look at the difference. The S&P 500, the $100,000 in 4 years would have turned to $177,000. That's a $77,000 return gain, which is a 13.67%. The portfolio 2, which is the target data fund, only would have returned 26,000, which is 5.4%. And the portfolio that number 3 that I tweaked it, look at the return, guys. It's almost double from the S&P and almost triple from the target data fund. 332, a 30% interest rate. So imagine the power of compound. And that's the reasoning why a lot of people are working so many years and just have no idea what's going on with their retirement accounts, because they're just set up in the target data fund, set it and forget it. And when you hit the year to retire, you just, whatever you have there, you take it out. And that's why I truly recommend to check with your financial advisor, seek some guidance, because there is opportunities out there to be made. And sometimes people have a hard time paying someone to make changes in their investment portfolio. But in the long run, you're going to be very thankful for making those tweaks. I wish you guys the best. Till next time.